Hello, my name's Laurel Papworth and I'm going to go through the curriculum of the 2-day Facebook and Instagram course. Number one, we're going to create a page from scratch, and that's because you need to have a sandbox page or one of those pages that you can play on and break. Number two, we're looking at Facebook content creation. What should you be creating? What is the best kind of content? How critical are the keywords? That sort of thing for both Facebook and Instagram descriptions. And I want to talk about object identification, which is how Facebook and Instagram use artificial intelligence to read the videos and the photos that you're posting up. Then we're looking at Facebook apps like groups, events, shops, email programs, and all the fun things you can add to a Facebook page, including a competition app, which you should be using. Have you ever looked at Facebook Insights and wished that you understood a little bit more? Like, have you downloaded the spreadsheet and then wondered what the call to actions are for that and how you can improve what you do on Facebook and Instagram by looking at the metrics? We'll be covering that in depth. For Facebook optimization, I really want to go through the algorithm. This is an area that I'm very interested in, so we'll be investigating the data sets and how the data sets apply to you, but not just how the algorithm works, but how you could be working with it so that you get the best bang for your buck if you're spending money on bought attention, or that you don't have to spend money because you can earn attention by working with the algorithm, not against it. It's kind of like SEO for websites, Google SEO, but it's for Facebook. If you don't know what SEO is, we cover that as well. Just a little bit, tiny, weeny little bit. With Instagram, I'm particular about whether it's right for your business, right for your core audience. For some industries, Instagram works really well. For others, less so, and I'll be going through the factors to help you make that decision. For both Facebook and Instagram, and then you can take this into other platforms as well, what is the role of key influencers and how do you truly measure a key influencer? Here's a tip, it's not by the number of followers they have. What are the best types of posts that you could be using on Instagram? And I'm also interested in exploring further where IGTV and Insta stories are going to take us. And if you're familiar with Facebook stories or YouTube stories, then taking those ideas and ensuring that you are investing your time, your energy, your resources in the best tools on those platforms for you. Have you created a content calendar that has strong call to actions on Instagram and Facebook? Is that important for you? Facebook owns Instagram, so they have a lot of the same data sets in the algorithm, but how is the algorithm different for Instagram than for Facebook? And what will the impact of WhatsApp going to be on both of them? And Mark Zuckerberg has said it's going to be quite high. Do you use hashtags on Instagram, and are you using the right ones? And are you using hashtags on Facebook? So I'll be going through the 16 different uses of hashtags and how to measure them, which ones are the best ones, so that you can start to explore this and make sure that you're using the right hashtags for your audiences. I want to cover social media dashboards. This is third-party tools, and ensure that you're using the right dashboard in the right way for finding content, scheduling content, monitoring content, analyzing content, and which tools will work best for you. And by all means, if you've got a Hootsuite, TweetDeck, or some other tool that you already have the logon for, make sure you bring the logon to the class, won't you? If we take all these things and explore them over the 2 days, I'm absolutely certain that you will learn a lot of tips and tricks as well as strategies around campaigns and engagement that will help you with your social media. Don't forget to bring your laptop. Don't forget to bring your power supply. Laptops don't last forever without power. Bring your phone or smartphone or whatever device it is that you're going to use for creating image-based content, photos and videos, that sort of thing. If you've got a Canva account, bring that as well. If you have any special dietary requirements, let me know, and I will see you in the next 2-day Facebook and Instagram intermediate course. Thank you.